In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture to Squarespace effectively and efficiently, making your website more visually appealing in just about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to Squarespace by typing it into your search bar or clicking on a bookmark if you have it handy. Squarespace's homepage is your starting point on this visual journey. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the next step, which involves choosing how you'd like to log in. For many of us, using our Google account makes things easier, and Squarespace knows it. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will streamline your login process by linking it to one of your existing Google accounts. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Click on your desired account and presto, you're in. Now it's time to navigate to your personal website within Squarespace. You can easily get to your website dashboard by clicking on your site's name or by following a direct link if you have one bookmarked. When you have your website open in front of you, look for the Edit option. This is where the magic of customization happens. Squarespace's user-friendly interface will lead you right to where you need to be to make changes. The goal is to add a picture, so let's proceed by adding a new block. In the editor mode, you'll see an option to add block. Clicking this will unfold various types of content blocks you can add to your page. Among the different blocks, you'll find the image block. Select this option, it's your gateway to adding visual flair to your site. After selecting the image block, look for the plus icon which indicates the action to add or upload an image. It's usually very intuitive. Clicking the plus icon opens up the door to your computer's files. Next, you're going to click on Upload File to bring up your computer's file navigator. Here's where you'll browse through your directories to find the picture you wish to add. Once you locate the picture, double-click it or select it and click Open to initiate the upload to Squarespace. As your picture uploads, take a moment to appreciate how simple this process truly is. Squarespace does an excellent job making website design accessible to everyone. Finally, with your picture uploaded, you'll see a Save option. Clicking Save solidifies your action, adding your chosen image to your site. And just like that, you've successfully added a picture to your Squarespace website. Remember, adding images to your website isn't just about visual appeal, it's about creating a connection with your audience. Images can tell stories, evoke emotions, and engage visitors in ways that text alone cannot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in customizing your Squarespace site with beautiful imagery. Here's to creating a visually stunning website that captivates and communicates.